Hey, I'm attempting Kotlin Heroes episode 11 because episode 12's on the way. Uh, yeah, so it's like 5 days before the start of that. So I'm trying to learn Kotlin because I use Java in my job, and from what I've heard, Kotlin is basically a really fun version of, not a fun version of Java, but it's really a lot functional, and uh, doesn't force you in some what do you call programming fashion or another. But yeah, so I just want to get familiar with the language. All right, let's see. I'm also going through these Kotlin for competitive programming, just this one, because I think there's not much you need to look at. Most of the things are in this file. So as you can see, let me show you. Yeah, over here, right? So we want to read the line. So blah blah blah. All right. So let's go to problem A. Decided to solve a list of n problems, and problem has difficulty D. Some integer x. Okay. All problems from the list except for the last one. Is more difficult than every other problem. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Just following how I normally do things. What it would be is t, right? So t equals read line dot to end. So, oh, which version of Kotlin that I'm using? Kotlin 2.1. Huh. It said I should be able. Oh, I'm using read line. There you go. Yeah. So for I and wait, how do I do the loop? Like in a range. Okay. These what I want are n and d would be the arrays. So n equals this another read line dot to end, and read line dot split dot. How was it done? Dot map it to end. Okay. Dot map it to end. Okay. Just the way I like to do it is I have a list. So immutable list of I think let's not do it that way. Yeah, just calculate it right here. All right, it would be okay. Yeah, difficulty. Now I'll just do for jn 1 to n. I keep forgetting jn 1 to n. Yeah, I keep getting sucked into Python's syntax. Anyways, and then it should be val fr. That's fine. Okay. For j, d of j, difficulty. Okay. How do I want to keep track of? Yeah, so var. Okay. If this is the case, then we can just go ahead with the normal scenario, which would be difficulty equal to. I should have a max function, right? Yeah. Difficulty comma d of j. There you go. Oh, I see. I didn't import it yet. Okay. Now that I imported it, yeah, else. So current difficulty, which should be variable, is difficulty of j d of j. Yeah. Current difficulty, and the only way would be if this is greater than the previous by 1. In that case, okay. Should be not the problem solving skill, but the difficulty. Then over here, minus the problem solving skill is greater than 1, then if problem solving skill, no, be difficulty minus problem solving skill is greater than 1. If that's the case, then I'm gonna print line ambiguous. All right. Oh, okay. Else print line would be print x. Yeah, because it didn't solve the last problem, so we're going to take the value of the problem solving skill. Yeah. Okay. So I haven't ran this. I haven't ran any CodeForces in IntelliJ, so hopefully no issues here. Wow, it's this building. Okay, yeah, I might have created a big one. Maybe it should just be a small file, not a huge project. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Line 12. Oh. Mm, 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 mm. How about this time? For ambiguous 3. Nice. Okay. Now it says I can change these to val since we're not modifying them, so they can be immutable. All right. Let me go for the submission for problem A. Let's use the latest one. Okay, so I think it should be just this much, hopefully. So copy, paste, submit. Nice. Okay. That seems good enough for my starting point with Kotlin.